Here we are at the High Winds Casino in Miami, Oklahoma. Our premiere for AAZ Slots. We're in front of Ruby Nights Out. Progressive there. We put in $100 and see how we're doing. We're going to go ahead and see. We're got $100 in, as I said, and then we're going to go ahead and bet. Let's go ahead and let's play with it a little bit. Main goal is to have fun. 126, and then we'll go ahead and play around with it and see how well we go now. Come on, Ruby, get your girls out. Go ahead, hit a max bun on this. Come on, let's turn some machine red on us. People are hitting out here. Come on, let's sing. Let's hit it big now. Nope. Got a little hit. Got eyeballs. Be red and eyeballs. Come on now. Here we go, getting there, we're getting there. Come on now, got you warming up. Go ahead and hit max a couple times to see how far we're going to go. Hopefully everybody's having a good day. That looks pretty good there. Come on now. Oh no, well, we're getting there. Let's go ahead and try to do something here. No.
You're gonna have to change my Good, come on.
There we go. That's what we're talking about. That step ladder, that was a good one. Another step ladder. Another step ladder. There we go. That's another step ladder. That was pretty good. So we'll go ahead and since it's got us loose now, the machine's saying, okay, here we go. Let's see how far we're gonna go. Come on now. Let's hit it big. Hit the river. man, getting it there.
There you go. We're spinning. No?
No,
That was cool.
yeah, yeah. That looked pretty good there.
Red. Oh, come on.
No, well, that's how it is sometimes.
Should it be red
Let's
like
see
that?
we'll see what happens here.
Oh.
No, well, we'll take it down to 80. See if we can get something really big here. There we go. Oh, if we, oh, all you had to do is come down.
Oh, you
Calm
should have picked that
down.
ruby red right there.
Yeah, calm down. That's all we had to do. Join the party. All right, fill that baby up. I'll do it one more time and we'll see what we can do later on. Let's see what else.